loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Beria. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. As you're watching me talking right now, click on that red word that says subscribe. It's just right here. It's free to subscribe to a channel, so click on it, and also don't forget to turn on that little bell on top so that you'll be notified each time when I upload any video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in back again. Okay guys, without further ado, in today's video, I just want to share with you, I know I've made a video on how to styling old twists. So the reason why I want to show you as you can see, these twists, they look so fresh. I just did them the other day. So the thing is, I was filming a video but it didn't save, so I want to film another video of which you're going to see next week probably. But after that, I'm going to style my hair.
Okay.
And later on I'm going to start this new cool hairstyle that they're going crazy about, the same hair. So I want to try it. It's called pineapple. It's more like a high puff pineapple something, I don't know. So you're going to see that. I saw it from one of my friends, so I feel like I share with you guys so that you see the same. Yeah, so enjoy the video. You're gonna comment what you think. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take off the ribbon. Yeah, I'm going to drop the ribbon and the pin here. And then another ribbon, I think. And I'll need this oil. I'll have to scalp my scalp. Section my hair so that I want to be quick, so I'm going to section it like this because I want to unravel everything here. That's this one. So we'll start with this. See, the curls are popping. So I'll keep on doing this until I finish the whole process, which you're going to see. Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab this hairbrush and pull some of my hair a little bit, like more like coming on the front part here, so you're going to see. So I'm going to do like this. Woo! Wow. Okay. There's water dripping from the brush. Okay, so I didn't unravel this one. I think I'll just leave it like that. Show everything to come up. brushing up, like bringing my hair forward here, I'm going to grab myself with Eco Styling Gel. This. So I'll just have to get it like this, then spread it like going upwards like that.
One eternity later.